How long's that tree supposed to last? You like that tree, baby?
You like your new tree?
Tall buildings. I will
Is it a Manzanita?
Yeah.
No matter what your child's dream,
It
a
tastes good.
college-bound fund
Hi.
29 savings plan can help get them there.
I love you.
I will
Say
make
thank you.
his dreams a reality. To learn more, visit collegeboundfund.com.
How are you?
Waiting for the right time to buy a hardwood floor? Well, check this out. One room of beautiful
Hey,
North
baby.
American
Hi,
hardwood
baby.
completely installed for just $999.
How you
Now, this
doing?
isn't just any hardwood. It's genuine Armstrong hardwood.
How are you?
Trusted name in flooring.
How you doing, baby?
Call National Floors Direct at 888-400-FLOOR. Get an entire room of Armstrong hardwood installed the next day for just $999. A new floor can transform your home, and at just $999, the right time is now.
They uncovered a conspiracy.
Baby?
The director of the Born Ultimatum had
Hey, baby.
Green Zone rated R. Could switching to Geico really save you
What's he doing?
50% or more on car insurance? His head too tall, Jones, too tall.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, here comes
Could switching
Alyssa.
to Geico really save you 15%
Where's that
more
coming?
on car insurance? Does a 10-pound bag of flour make a really big biscuit? Chemistry.com, we believe in making good first dates great, helping you skip bad first dates altogether, and putting more cops on our streets. Chemistry.com, good for love, bad for crime.
I came for the fire on my parents.
What the heck is this?
What?
Where did you get off?
Oh, we figured you ate. You were Josh. Yeah, put your
I was
stuff away.
You think I might have killed my father?
No.
No, you figured